Hello everyone. It's been a minute, huh? Well, I'm back, gloves and all. Honestly, it's the only way you guys can see me. But let's see what's in there. Alright, let's go and... Oh! What's this? Powdered sugar? Huh. 'Tis the season, I guess. How do you... Lola, what the Forgive me, folks. It turns out that we do not use powdered sugar for Christmas crack. Instead, we use this. Okay, I've got all the crackers lined up. There's this many, there's that many. I'm not gonna keep track of all of it. I'm just pointing each of them out because, I don't know what I was thinking. Apart from the crackers, you also need butter. At least a cup. Now let's see, what else do we need? Ah yes, brown sugar. I'm using the light one. I forgot I had dark, but either one works. Oh, I see. Squish. Now stir everything until it boils down to this yummy caramel. Whatever you do, don't lick the spoon. I know it's tempting, but it is also extremely hot. After that, let's add, let's say about 1 or 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Okay, now it is time to pour this yummy caramel on top of the crackers. And I'm just gonna say right now, guys, don't do what I'm doing right now. Don't do this. This turned out to be a really bad idea. Just take a ladle and do it that way, because it's a lot easier to spread it around than what I'm doing here. This was a really bad idea. See what I mean? This is just vile. I have to use a spoon to spread everything equally, and it's just a mess. Now you're gonna leave it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes. Look at this. What a disaster. Let's cover it up. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. Still not pretty, but you know what? It's fine. As long as it tastes good. Okay, now that all of that is covered up, it is time for me to put 4 toppings. And here they are. We've got almonds, sprinkles, hazelnuts, and my favorite, marshmallows. You can put whatever you want, but this is what I like. Let it chill overnight, and now for the really fun part. And that's how you make Christmas crack. Compliments to B. Dylan Hollis for sharing this wonderful recipe on YouTube. I'll be sure to include a link in the description below. And thank you all so much for watching. I really missed all of you. Until then, good night and happy holidays! Mmm.